why I keep trying to get in this. Hello everybody, this is Ani. She was my roommate last year.
Best roommates ever.
But now we're just buddies. I'm gonna do her makeup today.
And she's giving me a surprise.
I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet. First. Okay, let me sit it on. Okay, so first, I'm gonna be using.
They always do that shit. They go.
This is the green tea primer.
Oh goodness.
Max Strobe Cream. Pink light.
Like highlighter
It's like a lotion kind
before
of.
foundation.
I put it in the foundation.
I couldn't if I tried.
Oh, honey, if I get restless.
Baby, you're not that guy.
There we go. I mixed
Nobody
this
knows.
foundation.
What's the brand?
It's Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation in the color 200 soft beige. And I mixed it with the strobe cream on the hand. There we go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Next,
I'm glowing. I'm glowing. How's your
it's the CoverGirl Ready, Set, Gorgeous.
What is this, concealer?
This is concealer. Wet n Wild contouring palette. Going to take this one with my unicorn brush. So now I'm gonna take this one with my other unicorn brush. Look at this. Isn't that cool? My mom got me these. Shout out, Mom. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Wow.
This is a good song though.
Closes his weary eyes upon the day. Look at him yawning, throwing his morning hours away.
Look at her. She glows. The NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Gleam. Yes, the color Gleam. And And it's just the little goes a long way. The little goes a long way. The little goes a long way. Oh. That's how much I got. A little goes a long way, kids. Like I said, you don't need this much.
Is it like highlighter?
Yeah. Check out the glow. Oh, wow. Okay.
We gotta work it out.
We gotta work it out. This is the best eyebrow stuff I've ever used. With a little tiny perfect little brush for your eyebrows. We're gonna use this kind. You just did that for so long. You go. We're gonna use this kind. Anyways. Woo! With this little fan brush guy. She's a good one. I get around.
So whenever we would go out, this is what you would do to your face every time. All these steps. I just go. What is this cream for the crop?
Too Faced Shadow Insurance.
Eye primer.
We went into the store and we found this eyeshadow palette.
Rockstar.
Look at that.
Red.
It's beautiful. I'm gonna start with headliner. I think I'm gonna whip out this Colorfuls. It's this Jessie's Girl palette. I don't know where I got it. I've had it. And I just use it whenever I want to do colors. But there it is. With this brush. It's this little tiny flat brush.
What's your opinion about people who do eyeshadow before face makeup?
I don't know why I can't do it. It seems so out of order to me. Now I'm gonna take what I just used was that one. I'm gonna use the one right above it. Wait, I don't know why I didn't zoom in when I started doing your eyes. I meant to. Okay, now I'm gonna switch back to the Rockstar palette to do this one. Glitter Rock. use Maybelline Master something Duo. It looks like this, and it's black. There it goes. That's what it looks like. L'Oreal Voluminous Original. It's a great mascara.